don't be moving stuff around. Get out of the car. Get out. You're under arrest for DUI refusal. I found you in the middle of the road, passed out. From the looks of it, you completely overshot a curb, 2 curbs.
On May 5th of 2023 in Florida, an officer of the Port Orange Police Department was patrolling the area when he observed a vehicle slanted horizontally, blocking traffic on both sides.
Police department, wake up.
Oh, my bad.
Turn the car off.
My bad.
Turn the car off.
I'm turning it off.
Bravo 3 Central, 2nd Unit, Code 1. What's going on?
Well, me, I'm tired. Sleeping.
You're tired or you're drunk because there's 2 open containers right there.
No, my bad. Alright. We're tired. We're sleeping.
So, you realize where you're at's not a parking spot. You're in the middle of a lane of travel, completely blocking it.
Alright, let me park it.
No, I ain't letting you do anything. Step out.
Alright.
First off, do you have any kind of medical emergency?
No.
Okay.
Let me put my shoe on. Put my shoe on.
That's fine. That's fine. Don't be moving stuff around. Get out of the car.
Alright, brother.
Get out of the car.
Damn.
Get out of the car.
Hey, brother, I'm getting out.
Get out.
Okay, brother, I'm getting out. I'm not doing that, brother. My bad.
Turn around. Face away from me.
Okay.
Till somebody else gets here, I'm going to put you in cuffs.
Okay, that's fine, brother. My bad.
Bravo 3 Central. I got an adult male 1012 for now. Until 15 gets here. Over here to my car.
Alright, bro.
Where you stay at?
I'm not stay right down the block.
You still live on? Yeah, I'm code 4. He was just reaching around the car.
I don't want no problem, fucker.
You're good, man. I told you to quit reaching in the car. You kept trying to move beer cans, stuff like that.
No, my bad.
You got any weapons on you?
Oh, brother, no.
Right. I'm just going to check you, make sure you ain't got no weapons for my safety. You said your wallet.
Yeah, I'm not.
Spread your feet for me. You can lean up against my car. When my partner gets here, I'll take you out of cuffs.
All right.
Just for my safety,
No,
you're reaching around the car.
No, I don't want no problem.
You're good.
Can I sit right there?
If you want to sit on the curb, you can sit on the curb.
Please?
My partner's almost here, so if you want to wait, I'll take that. Yeah. If you wait, I'll take the handcuffs off before you sit down.
Oh, okay.
Alright, turn around for me. Now that he's here, I'll take him off. You can have a seat for a second. So, just driving past, and I see the car, and I was like, wait, that's not a parking spot. Alright, have a seat there. There, you're good. You can have a seat. What are you looking for? Not right now. Alright, so I was driving by, saw that. I had already passed, but I caught it out of the corner of my eye, whipped around. He's asleep at the wheel. I walk up to the car, there's a Modelo can and another bottle in the thing. Just hang out for a second. So, I was driving past, caught him like parked right here out of the corner of my eye as I passed. So I flipped around. He's asleep at the wheel. There's 2 alcohol containers in the center console. And then as I'm standing there talking to him, he starts trying to move them in the car. So, it looks like...
There's dirt all over.
No, I think he went right through here. There's tire tracks right here. I think he hopped the curb and got stuck for a second. I think he came right through here.
Yeah, we got tire marks.
But he already said he was drinking when I called out the... Yeah, he threw him in the back seat. Or in the back floorboard.
Cigarettes.
What? Yeah, I've had him done. Alright, are you willing to do some field sobriety exercises? No? Alright. Go ahead and stand up for me.
All right, bro.
Stand up. Stand up, man. Turn around, put your hands on your back. You're under arrest for DUI refusal. Run to this side. Yeah, refusal. Alright, man.
All right, brother.
So, I'm now requesting you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test?
Yeah, I'll take. I mean,
Okay.
What kind of test?
It's a test of your breath.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Alright. So, I'm gonna read you this just so I can ask you some more questions, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have them with you now or anytime during question. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, sir.
With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
What happened?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not much.
What's not much? Because I can clearly smell it coming off of you. I found you in the middle of the road, passed out,
Not much, sir.
and from the looks of it, you completely overshot a curb, 2 curbs.
Not much, sir.
Okay. No. Hey man, whose purse is that in the car?
What?
There's a purse in the passenger seat? Is that like your girlfriend's or something?
I don't have a girlfriend, man. I'm older, man. I don't have no girlfriend.
You got a wife?
Of course.
Okay, is that her purse?
That's not her purse.
Whose purse is it?
Um,
Okay.
So you got black, what do you say?
It's not hers. It's not his wife's. He doesn't know.
That's fine.
He...
What's his name?
Christopher.
Christopher.
Who's Sean?
I don't know.
Is this his car?
I don't know. I ran the tag.
Yeah, double check because there's an arraignment.
Okay, that's probably his wife.
Sean?
No, the Angela Carroll.
Oh,
Because
okay.
it's probably the same.
Oh,
It's
bro.
so that is his wife's purse.
Yeah.
He's just full of shit.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, if that's... Are you sure it's Christopher?
Yeah, I got his ID right here.
I'm almost positive I've
So
arrested him before.
who's Sean?
Yeah, then who's Sean?
He's got a subpoena right there on the passenger seat for driving while suspended.
I don't know. He's suspended too.
I'm pretty sure I've arrested him before.
Let me see who the car comes back to. Who's Sean? Who's Sean? Do you know Sean?
Well, listen, brother, whatever you call me, Like, nobody did nothing, but my bad.
We're not looking to get anybody else in trouble. Like, we're trying to figure out what's going on. Like, there's a court record or a court document for a Sean in the front seat of the car.
Alright, that's my son, like.
Okay, that's all you had to say. Like, you don't have to get an attitude with me.
I'm not getting no attitude with you, brother. Like, why are you getting like that? Like, alright, that's my son, my bad.
Okay, that was easy. Sean's his son. You do a breath test for me?
Yeah.
He refused FSEs, but he said he'd breath test.
Dude, that's the best possible way to do it.
You refusing after these being so loud?
Yep.
Alright.
Nothing else in here, though, that you guys found?
You got a freaking Corona on another.
Well, yeah, that's what he was shoving behind the seat. They were in the cup holder when I walked up.
So it is registered to her?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna, we're gonna put all this stuff in the car.
Yes.
Yeah, because I had him turn it off.
Yeah, and he, like, threw the keys over.
Yeah, probably when he
Call
was...
for Arrow?
I have not. You don't mind doing a breath test for me?
Let's do the...
No, as long as he doesn't
I mean, if he...
jerk me around about it.
Yeah, I mean, if he does, he does. It'll be quick then. Quicker.
I gave about it, so.
Go ahead and transport, yeah.
Christopher,
Yeah.
do you want to take your wallet with you or leave it in the car?
My wallet for what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
DUI.
Why?
Because...
Alright, whatever. Okay, I'll take whatever. Whatever you got with me, I got.
Do you want to take your wallet, yes or no?
Yeah, can I
Okay.
call my wife?
No, not right now. We'll bring your phone with you, but you can't call her right now.
I can't call my wife, brother?
You can call her when you get to the jail.
What jail?
The Volusia County Branch Jail.
For what?
DUI. I've already explained this.
You like for what?
Driving under the influence. Okay.
Damn, brother, you can't give me a chance to call my wife. I live right
4
down
Bravo
the
3
block,
by
brother.
Central. Copy transport.
What?
1 adult male. POPD.
Brother, can you do that? No.
Do what?
Can I just call my back? I live right down the block.
No, at this point you're already under arrest. Alright, man, step out for me. Go to that door right there.
Try to 11 disregard your backup is arriving on another call.